Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities podcast. This is 𝗀𝗍𝗀𝗀𝗀 from Sharekhan, BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on aluminium. On the daily chart, aluminium has traded with a higher high formation as it bounces back from the recent lows of 194. Prices are trading above the 20 exponential moving average at 201. Along with that, prices also have breached the recent consolidation at 201.50, which also act as an immediate support for the metal. The momentum indicator RSI backs a positive move with a bullish crossover as it moves from the oversold zone. The resistance should be the recent swing high of 206 and 206.50, which is also a 61.8 retracement level of the recent down move. Thus, a buy and dip strategy could be used in the session coming ahead. Hence, we expect aluminium to trade with a positive bias for the day ahead. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.